Hi, good morning. It's Lynn. I'm back. I'm over having breakfast, me and my niece Nanette. And our breakfast today is bread, sourdough bread, egg, sardines. Ginisa ko yung sardines sa garlic and onions. Saka meron kaming salabat. Ginger with honey and lemon. Ito. Diba? Sarap. Sarap niya. Tapos, yung aming bread. Ito yon. Masarap siyang lagyan ng butter. Ang butter ko yung cholesterol spread. Ayan siya. Diba? Kasi, para maganda sa aking cholesterol. Tapos, ayan siya, oh. Ayan ang breakfast. Diba? Ito lang. Chill in the morning. Kagigising lang, nagluto. Ayan. Sarap. Sarap siya. Diba? Ito lang. Ngayon, dito kami sa dining room. Hindi sa balcony. Kasi meron kaming sardines eh. Hirap sa balcony kumain nito. Kaya ang sarap siya, oh. Lalagyan mo yan siyang ganon. Saka lalagyan mo siya ng egg. Diba? Sulyadong itlog. This is nice in the morning for breakfast. Tapos, ng salabat, pag tapos na akong kumain, gagawa na ako ng cappuccino. Homemade cappuccino. Para hindi ako antukin. Kasi pag busog, nakakaantok eh. Diba? Si Nanette, work from home siya eh. Tatabaho pa siya. Kaya hindi yung breakfast. Lutong ng bread, nilagay ko sa air fryer. Saka yung salabat, oh. Salabat contains fresh ginger with hot water and lemon. Squeeze with lemon and put some honey. It's good for if you have sore throat. I've been coughing lately, so I need salabat. Or shall we say ginger tea with lemon and honey. Sarap. Magiging big. Kasi lalagyan mo siya ng sardines. Ganito, ah. Lagyan mo siya ng sardines. Ako sa sardines, inaalis ko yung tinik. Hindi ko talaga makain yung yung may tinik ba. Kaya inaalis ko yan, no? Wala siyang tinik. Saka mo siya i-dip sa sa sauce ng sardines. Ang sarap. Yan, oh. Tapos lagay mo yung egg sa ibabaw. Very nice. For a change from cereals to oatmeal to bread, pwede ding ham and egg with tomato or sun-dried tomato. Ngayon naman sardines and egg. Good yan. Sarap siya. Diba, ginagawa, sardines sa sinangag, saka yung egg. Kahapon, nag-rice na ako eh. Nag-fried rice ako kahapon with salmon. Smoked salmon for lunch. Tapos ang breakfast ko, bread and ham with sun-dried tomato on top. Tapos ngayon naman, bread, sardines and egg. And the ginger tea. Homemade ginger tea. Fresh ginger. And we call it salabat in the Philippines. And this is our Sydney Life morning breakfast in Sydney. Diba? Iba siya. Sarap. Yan lang oh. Yung sourdough bread, hinap ko into 2. So, ito yung half. Kasi minsan, hindi namin kaya yung buo. Yung buong bread. Mabigat. So, bali ang dessert namin, fruit. Naubos na namin yung melon. So, we have apple and pear and plum in the fridge. And we also have oranges and bananas. I'll probably have banana after this, or probably orange. This is just a short video just to show you our breakfast in Sydney. It's not flashy. It's very local Filipino breakfast, but we are in Sydney. Sarap siya, di ba? So that's it for now, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget, it's Lynn. Bye for now.